Hi YouTube, it's me Lauren Cadillac with Cadillac Law. Really excited. Today we are doing another series in our multi-part series about Texas real estate tax exemptions. As always, nothing in this video creates an attorney-client relationship between us. Nothing I'm telling you here is legal advice. And make sure you hit like, subscribe, and click the bell so that you don't miss any of this series or anything that we send out into the world to teach you. All right, guys, so today we're talking about uninhabitable and unstable due to casualty loss. So, this is a relatively recent exemption that allows when the governor, not the president, the governor of the state, declares a disaster area, and landowners, building owners, whose building is less than usable or has less usability, 15% of it or more is unusable, can get an exemption based on the percent of it that is unusable. First step, though, is that the governor must declare a disaster in that area. I'm pretty sure this legislation came out of Houston and hurricanes and that kind of thing, and it makes a lot of sense to me. So, like I said, at least 15% of the property has to be uninhabitable or unusable. How would you know that? I'm assuming your insurance adjuster is going to tell you that because I don't really know math. Like, I couldn't go into my house and be like, oh yes, this is 15% and I cannot use it, right? So I'm pretty sure your insurance adjuster would do that, or maybe if you know about buildings or something, you could help prove that. But once you hit the 15% threshold and you're at 15 to 30%, you get a 15% exemption. If you're at 30 to 60%, a 30% exemption. And if you're between 60 and 99%, you get a 60% exemption. Now, if the property is a total loss, that is when you can get a 100% exemption. The exemption can last for up to 2 years. This makes sense if you think about when there's a big rush to repair and a rush to redo, supplies are on short demand. So you have up to 2 years to claim this exemption, and you have to do it within 105 days of the governor declaring the disaster. So if Abbott declared the disaster on the 1st of January, you'd have about till March, April to go and apply for this exemption. Now, the chief appraiser will review your application, they'll review your evidence, and they'll make a determination. And within 5 days of their determination, they'll mail you the results. The owner can only do this on a principal residence, and they must intend to return and occupy the property. So if you are going to rebuild or repair, this exemption can really work for you. So again, the property must be declared in a disaster area by the governor. Within 105 days of that declaration, you go make your application to the appraisal board. And the application and the exemption are going to be based on the percent of your property that is not usable. So I hope you've learned something here today, and I hope you join us for more of our multi-part series about exemptions. Have a wonderful day.